I have bought two different type of dehumidifier for dealing black mold in the boat. Although they are two different brands, their functionality is very similar. Their aim is take the moisture out of the air and transfer to the water. So the first item I bought was Unibond, and that comes with the box. And the second item I bought is Divchi. That comes as a package of 12 and didn't have any box, but each of them has been wrapped. So I have been using two of them at the same time over a month now, and I can see the difference between two of them. Unibond comes as a 3 pieces with this box. The first piece is the top side, where the refill cartridge is going in. The second part is the water tank, and the third part is the cartridge. It has been wrapped and it needs to be opened and putting into this section. So there's a push button in here. When you push that, this side comes out, and then you put the cartridge in, push back, and then the cartridge, as soon as the cartridge meets with the air, it starts to work. Normally it says on the 12 hours after putting the cartridge in the box, but in my case it takes about a couple hours to see the first drop is coming to the on top section. That's probably because of the humidity and air temperature in the boat. The Unibond boxes explains everything with the details, and when we look at that, it says there is a small print information in here, but it explains everything in here, and also on this side as well, which I find very useful before I start to use. On the back it shows how the cartridge system works. After 30 days or just over a month, this is the water level after 30 days, and it also gives a small nice fragrance, which is mentioned on the box. Divchi comes as a 12 pack. As it comes 12, at the moment I think I'm using 7 of them in different locations of the boat. As a package, it might help to drop down the humidity, and also helps to increase the black mold. The Divchi has got information in front, but it's small print, needs to be read carefully, and also is at the back as well. In here it also gives information, and one thing that is important, that in here it says it must be in a flat space, and it can be used most of the places, but not in the bathroom. After a month, the water just like this, and what I realized at the beginning is that I didn't see any water droplets first 7 days, 10 days, and then after maybe a couple of weeks time, I realized that there is some water in there. This comes as a one piece, and what I've done is I take this lid off, take the plastic wrap off, and put the lid back, and then put in different location of the boat. At the end of 30 days, I think they are both working, and the humidity in the boat has dropped down. I can see that from the Unibond, the cartridge is getting smaller and smaller. On the other hand, the Divchi, I don't see anything on the small white balls. Maybe it's going to the small white balls is going to be disappear in the future, but at the moment I don't see much difference in here. The two of them is helping to drop down humidity. This is what I believe. But I also use other supplement tools to drop down humidity in the boat. For example, I use 12-volt air ventilators. Also a plant called a snake plant. This plant is a interesting plant. First time I came across in Google, and after I searched, I bought this plant. I'm not really sure whether it's working or not, but at least there is a hope. I will mention about this air ventilation, 12-volt air ventilators and snake plant in my future vlogs.